So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot area of the car first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car. Now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 43,018. We have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed there. You can change the information in that section using buttons on the steering wheel for various different bits of driving data, and there are other menus available to you as well, all of which are accessed with these buttons just here. We've also got our phone controls over there, stereo controls which continue on the left hand side, cruise control, and once you set cruise control you can hit this button. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. Over in the centre we then have the main touchscreen. So we're on the radio menu at the moment, where you'll see we have DAB, FM and AM radio. If you're listening to your own music, press the media button. A number of ways you can listen to your music, including Bluetooth audio. So not only can you make and receive phone calls, you can also stream your music wirelessly once you've paired your phone. Hit the phone button and then find telephone and follow the instructions on screen from there. We have the main volume for the stereo. Beneath that, the air conditioning. So you can determine the temperature, fan speed and direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so you can turn it off and on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you've set over here. We have the storage area, USB input, and also auxiliary input as well. We have your 6-speed manual gearbox. You can turn your parking sensors on and off from here. You can also turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows, and you can change the driving setup of the car from eco to normal, sport or individual. And under individual, you can customize the settings shown on screen now. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.